There you go. Simple math for you. 5,000 real estate agents is friend. Every single day, you just post something valuable for real estate agents. You want to know how easy that is? Whatever I teach you, just say the same thing, but for real estate agents. Okay, I teach you faceless marketing. Here's how to build a faceless TikTok and get 1,000 followers on your account and be able to get hundreds of thousands of views on each post without ever using your face, without ever using your voice, without ever using your name, and you could use those leads for anything you want. That's Faceless Academy, Faceless Content Academy. Why not just rephrase it? Attention real estate agents. This video will show you how to be able to build a faceless account where no one even knows it's you. You don't use your face, you don't use your voice, you don't use anything. It goes extremely viral on TikTok, and all those leads you can use for real estate. The leads that you generate that are going to be local to your area, because you're going to do local content, you can list homes or sell homes. And